Bitcoin holders, be aware, it's a trap, my friend. Check this chart now before it's too late. Yes, check it now before it's too late. Which chart? The chart I'm going to show you today in that video. So stay tuned. Don't try to skip the video because there is very important information in that video. As you see, guys, that the daily candle here, it finished. The Bitcoin today, it continued down. It tried to give us here a pin bar, but there is no volume to push it more upward. I'm going to show you something very important in that video. By the way, guys, before we continue, want that video to reach to 100 likes, and know you can do it, so please, my friend, smash that like button which is down and write with it a comment. Tell us your thought about Bitcoin, what you thinking. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also yesterday we enter a short, as you see it, guys, here. In the first we open a long, then the market reverse on us, we open a short, as you see it here. What happened after we open that short? It hitting for us the first take profit, as you see it here. Today what happened? It hitting for us the second take profit. Now what we do, I'm going to show you everything. Now we open here a long trade, my friend. And as you see it, if you want to open a long, you can open it. Me, I'm not going to enter in it because I'm waiting the news. So also being very transparent with you, we give you all the daily signals, also we share, plus even other analysis, other chart. So if you are interested, my friend, the link of Patreon to join our VIP Discord is it down in description of that video and in the first comment. You click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon. You came to VIP cryptocurrency. If you haven't seen it, you click at that arrow here, or you swipe by your finger if you are using only phone. When you click at join, you finish the payment process. There is a video in Patreon going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, my friend, you can contact us here in Patreon or in Discord and we're going to solve it for you. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, before we started here in the daily, I want to show you something very important. Let me show it to you. Is it here in the weekly? That one here, that red line here, that one, is it the interest rate of USA? And that one here with the chart, is it the Bitcoin chart in the weekly, guys? Now here, the last time when it happened, the interest rate cut, it happened here exactly at that level here. What happened after it? We saw the Bitcoin dumping, guys. You see it or no? Now we are here at that level here exactly. What's going to happen when the Fed started cutting, guys? Maybe we're going to fall down again to touch the lower of that up channel as we talking about here, guys. You see it? We're going to fall down to touch that trend line here, and after that we're going to see the Bitcoin jumping more higher. The levels you need to focus that them, my friend, to put in them pending orders to buy, because that dump, when it happened very sharp. So you need to have pending orders there. Let me show you the levels you need to put in them pending orders. As you see with me here, I give it to the people they follow me, but it's okay to give it to you here. So those ones, the levels, guys. Is it the first level here at 57,175? We got there 526 million US dollar pending orders. As you see it here at 57,175. Second level, is it here? 55,266. We got 465 million US dollar pending orders there. The third level we got, is it here? 54,357. We got 515 million dollars, guys. So those ones, the levels you put in them pending orders and you waiting if they getting triggered or not. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's going back to the daily because I want to share that, guys, because look at it here. At the time when the Fed cut, we saw the Bitcoin dump. Then after that, it moved upward, guys. The same thing is going to happen here. The Fed, when it's going to cut, we're going to see the Bitcoin dumping again. Then after that, we're going to see it going above more than that, guys. When the Fed Fed, or when the Bitcoin it started moving upward, when the Fed, look at it, when the Fed, he pivot, that means he will not reduce more than that. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Yes, we don't got a lot of history here in the Bitcoin, but in the SP500, is it more clear to get those things? If you are in trading view, you came here, there is a plus here in the top. You click at it, you add on that one here, US interest rate. You write it in trading view and you can add that here and you make a comparison like that. Stop listening to the people. That's not the job of them, guys, because I heard a lot of people they telling you when the Fed is going to start cutting, we're going to see the Bitcoin jump into the sky. No, guys, when the Fed will start cutting, we're going to see the Bitcoin falling down and we're going to see the SP500 falling down. So remember those things very, 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 very well. Yes, that falling down, it will not be that long. It will be short term, but there is a dump coming, guys. So that dump, you have to prepare for it. I give you the levels where to put pending orders to buy from them. Now let's go into the daily. Here we are, guys, in the daily. Here in the daily, after the Bitcoin it touched for us that downtrend here, as you see it, we show it to you in yesterday video, I think. That one here, we touch it here in that level. The Bitcoin it's showing to us is going to dump here. What shall we do? Also, we still waiting. If you remember what me I told you here, we came here and we do like that, and we told you, look at it here. We told you, look here. You by your eye and calculate it, my friend. Look here. The bears, they used to have that power. Look at them here. The power of them is getting reduced. Now, if it's going to fall down to touch that uptrend here, do you see it or no? The power of them is getting smaller and smaller. This man, there is no more people they selling the Bitcoin. So you need to be careful about that one. What shall you do now for long term? For long term, also we put pending orders and we still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days. So I think I explained everything because we don't need to make the video too long, guys. But me personally, I'm still very, very, very bullish in Bitcoin. Don't get scared by those things and try to sell your Bitcoin. Bitcoin, it's not yet top up yet, so it's left for it more room, guys. Let me show you why I'm still bullish. Let's go now to see Bitcoin sentiment plus Bitcoin ETF influence outflow. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, the Bitcoin sentiment. Also, we're looking at it every day. Yesterday, they used to be 50-50, but now something it changed, guys. If you came here and we draw in here that line in the circle here, people that are with me, they know that every day. And even here, we're doing one like that. Those ones here, the bears, they are more than 25%. But if we came here and we try to calculate them, if we came here to those ones, they are bullish, 33%. If we came here to those ones, they are very bullish, 22%. The total here between bullish and very bullish, 55%, guys. Now, if we came to those ones, they are bearish, 16%. Those ones, they are very bearish, 12%. The total here, 28%. 28% versus 55%. You know which side you need to be, my friend. Of course, you need to be with the bulls, my friend. And remember that the trend is always your friend. And that here is the sentiment in all crypto exchanges. So you need to be with the bulls. Remember that. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see Bitcoin ETF influence outflow. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. The Bitcoin ETF influence outflow. Here what happened? Same thing. Nothing new here. Look at it. Our friend Grayscale, they sold 351 Bitcoin. Fidelity, they bought today plus 86. Fidelity, they being that the 6th day. And then they buying, as you see them here, that's 6 days. And then they buying. ARK Investment today, they haven't buy. BITB, they haven't buy. The hodlers, they bought today 82 Bitcoin. EasyBC, they bought 84 Bitcoin. And BTC, they bought 47 Bitcoin. The total Bitcoin being bought today minus 50.76. That's when we're being in a bear day. So that's the ETF we got today, guys. Now let's go in to see the coming news of today. So let's go in there. Coming news of today, guys, as you see it, is it here? That the news we got today, so you need to be careful. We got core retail sales, and the retail sales is going to come at 12:30, so you need to be careful at that time. Don't try to open any day trading signals at that time. That's what you need to do, my friend. Over here is our friend, the table of us. We're looking at it every day here in that channel. What it's telling us till today. Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and the SP500. The SP500 and the Dow Jones, they close both of them green, but the Nasdaq is closed red. So you need to be careful. Another very, very important thing is it here. Our friend, the VIX, fair and scarcity is getting a little bit higher. We used to be 16, now we are 17.40. 14, but we're still below than the average. There is nothing to be worried about. Yes, currency is high because as I told you, it's coming the Fed interest rate plus core retail sales. So you need to be careful a little bit. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's going to see the Bitcoin doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here the Bitcoin is touched for us the 20 moving average here. Let's see now if is it from here going to go up more higher and to break for us that last high here, because that's what the Bitcoin doing every time he need to come back to test that 20 moving average, no matter what's happening, if we are in a downtrend or in an uptrend. And now here those moving averages, they telling you us we are in a choppy level here or sideways level as you see it here. Levels you need to focus on them. Before we reach there, if you want to enter along, as I told you that one here, for the short, I told you that one here, I show it to you in the daily, so we don't need to repeat a lot of things here. Now let me show you the levels, also we need to focus on them. Levels you need to focus on them, my friend, that level here, 56,039, another level here, 53,340, another level down here, 49,580. So those ones, the levels you need to focus on them, what the Bitcoin going to do there. That's my view personally, my friend. So you need to be focused on what the Bitcoin going to do in the coming days. So I think I explained everything. Now we're going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum after it's breaking for us that flag here, that the flag also we used to talk about. The take profit for that one is going to be if we bring in that stick and we do it like that, it's going to break for us even that low here. That the target, guys. If you're looking at it, that man the Ethereum is going to fall down more than that till that low here, exactly that one here, level exactly you need to focus about or to put your take profit here for that short in the Ethereum. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here, 2134? So that one is the level you need to focus about it. But maybe the Ethereum from here going to give us here a price action and to reverse upward. Even that one it's possible if it can give us here a double bottom like that and to come to break for us the neckline here, indicating one thing, maybe the Ethereum is going to reverse more upward. So we need to wait in even that one, guys. Our indicator what it's saying today, let me show it to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's enter again to the place where the bears the controlling, but it touched the divergence uptrend here. We touch it here. Now let's see if is it from here going to respect it and go back above, because even that one is very, very important, and that one here it's very long term uptrend. So let's see what's going to happen here in the coming hours. If we're going to have a price action indicating the market is going to reverse, we're going to catch it, or you can even come and do something like that, like a downtrend here, and you're waiting the Ethereum to come to break it here. Even that one it's possible. So I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see Bitcoin is doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, same thing. If you remember what I told you here in yesterday, I told you we got here a double top. It's breaking here as we enter that short. Look where we are. Now here, even here, we used to have here that flag here. That one here in the Bitcoin. As you remember I tell it to you before. That one, if we came just from here and we calculate and the take profit of it, it's going to be even that one down here at that low here exactly, guys. 52,900. That's the target for that short Bitcoin here. But shall we go with it more short? For short term, as we catching more trades, yes, may I close that short, I enter from here because I told you the news which is coming and I don't want to lose that profit. That way may I close it. But now here, if you want to enter along, at this time there is nothing here telling you need to enter along. But in short term, we got a price action, guys. So maybe we're going to see the Bitcoin from here going above. If that's happening, guys, it's going to give you here, look at it here, you see it or no? It's going to give you here a big head and shoulder. So the level you need to focus about it is it that one here, exactly that one here. If it's getting broke here, you need to enter along, my friend. So I give you here for long and I give you for short. So you need to wait till the right time and try to catch something by yourself. If you don't know how to draw those things and you want to learn more, you can join our VIP Discord where we're giving daily signals there. If you are interested, of course, the link of our Patreon, because via Patreon you're going to join our VIP Discord, is it down in description of that video and in the first comment. So I think I explain everything. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying here in the Bitcoin, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, it's enter here to the place where is the bears they're controlling, guys. So you need to be careful what's going to happen here. If that one going to fall down again till it will touching for us extreme oversold area, and as I show you, when the Fed rate came, Bitcoin always dumping at that time. So you need to be careful, my friend, what the Bitcoin going to do. So I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. That the double top as we enter based on it yesterday, that short. Now the Bitcoin here, he gave us here another flag, guys. You see it, that one here, that is a flag, and that is a continuation pattern, guys. Let me zoom it a little bit to show you those things what I'm talking about. Because in that level it's happening a war, guys. In that level exactly here, it's happening a war. That one here, it happened here a war. As we enter that long base, I'm going to show you that double bottom here is getting broke here. We enter that long. Till now, we still holding that long, but now it's look like market is going to reverse more down. That the flag as we talking about, as you see it here. That a flag here. If the Bitcoin breaking down here, we're going to enter that short again. Why me I enter a long? I'm going to show you, my friend. Let me show you something very, very important happening here. We enter that long base on the divergence here, and also we keep on our long because as we know it, the Bitcoin is going to reverse upward. Why as we enter that long? Another very, very important thing. We came here. Look with me here. You see here. That's a downtrend, guys. That one here, a downtrend. The downtrend is getting broke here. That way as we enter that long. Till now as we still waiting because our stop loss is it here. And if anything happen, we're going to reverse it and we're going to enter another short. So as we still waiting, but me personally I haven't entered in that long. And I told you the reason why, because the coming news. Another thing you can make here is it that one here. Look with me here. You can down here and you can to the one up here. That for the people they haven't entered with us, no long, no short. And you wait in the market to break here, more long, market to break down here. You can enter another short, my friend. So I think I explained everything to you guys. So that's it for that video. And please guys, make sure to share that video in all social media if you like our content to support us to growing up more that channel. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.